You open your email and there it is, a short, automatic message with a bold line. Your miles will expire in 90 days. The laptop screen has that cold blue glow, your coffee has gone lukewarm, and you can feel your stomach drop the same way when a gate change pops up 5 minutes before boarding. Maybe the balance isn't huge, 5,000, 10,000 miles, or maybe it's most of your balance.
If your flight happens to be canceled or delayed, Compensair will help you get compensation for the inconvenience and get your money back without wasting time on red tape. Get a refund for your canceled flight right.
Either way, it feels like free money slipping away. Listen, losing miles is a slow, silent leak unless you act. I've spent decades dealing with loyalty programs, and the mistake I see most is panic purchases, buying miles or paying for reinstatement when a free or almost free fix was 5 minutes away. Start by grounding yourself. Log into the loyalty account on a desktop or the airline app and go straight to 2 pages, the activity ledger and the rules/terms page that shows the expiration policy. Look for an exact expiry date on the balance, not a vague notice. Note whether expiration is tied to no account activity, no flight activity, or separate partner rules. Take a screenshot or phone photo of the notice and the balance page. You'll thank yourself if you need support later. At home, before you pay anything, check your linked accounts. Do you have a co-brand credit card, a hotel account, or a bank rewards account that can transfer points? Often you can move 1,000 points from a bank or hotel program into the airline account, and that counts as activity. If your credit card posts monthly points, or if the airline records even a tiny partner transaction as activity, this is the cheapest fix. If you don't have a transfer partner, log into the airline's shopping portal and search for a very small item that costs a few dollars. Buy it on a card you already have linked to the loyalty account. Many airlines record shopping portal purchases as account activity, and you'll keep the miles active without spending much. Another fast option, a $5, $10 donation through the airline charity portal, if available, counts as activity in many programs. Now, the real reason these rules exist. Loyalty programs treat miles like a bookkeeping liability. From the airline side, unredeemed miles are a future cost, and programs use expiration rules to reduce long-term liabilities and encourage ongoing spending. Think of it like a gym membership. If you never step into the gym, the business cuts access to save costs and encourage you to rejoin actively. That's not malicious, it's accounting and marketing. What's the real cost if you do nothing? Let's do the math so you can make a calm decision. Typical retail value of an airline mile ranges from 1 cent to 2 cents. Some premium redemptions stretch that higher, some award charts make it lower. If you lose 25,000 miles, that's roughly $250, $500 in redemption value. Reinstating miles through the airline can cost $30, $150 in a fee, plus sometimes you must pay to repurchase the miles at a poor per-mile rate. Buying miles in a last-minute promo can cost you 3 cents, 6 cents per mile, so repurchasing 25,000 would cost $750, $1,500, far above the value of simply making a small qualifying activity. Risk-wise, there's no missed flight here, but there's a measurable financial loss and lost flexibility. That annual trip you wanted to book might now require cash you don't have. Worst case, you lose a long accumulated balance that would have booked an award seat and you have to rebuild from scratch at real cash cost. So here are 7 practical, low-cost fixes you can execute in the next 30 minutes. I'll list them from cheapest and fastest to slightly more involved. 1. Make a tiny shopping portal purchase. Open the airline shopping mall, pick a $1, $10 item, complete checkout with your linked email, instant activity. Time, 5–10 minutes. Cost, $1, $15. 2. Transfer a small amount of bank or hotel points. Many bank rewards or hotel programs allow 1,000-point transfers into airline miles, and that counts as activity. Time, 5–20 minutes. Cost, whatever small transfer threshold is, often $0 if you already have points. 3. Use a partner service, a car rental, partner train ticket, or even an insurance add-on booked through the airline's partners usually posts activity. Time, 10–30 minutes. Cost, varies, but you can often find inexpensive options. 4. Buy a minimal miles package only if necessary. If the program forces you to buy miles to restore activity, price out the exact pack rather than the first promo you see. Sometimes a 1,000-mile buy is cheapest. Other times, a reinstatement fee plus purchase is avoidable, so check carefully. Time, 10 minutes. Cost, $30, $200 depending on program. 5. Redeem a small award. If you have a low-cost redemption under the threshold, like an award grocery or magazine subscription, use it to reset the clock. Time, 10–20 minutes. Cost, small portion of your balance. 6. Donate miles if the program accepts small donations and posts immediate activity. Time, 5–15 minutes. Cost, you give away value, but your balance's expiration is stopped. 7. Call loyalty service and politely request an extension. If you have documented reasons, the hospitalization, job loss, or technical problems, agents will sometimes grant a one-time extension for free or for a modest fee. Time, 10–40 minutes. Cost, free to $50 commonly. Many of these options are refundable or low cost. Pick the one that preserves most value for you. If you want my printable checklist of the 7 fixes and a one-click shopping portal shortcut, click the link and subscribe for the checklist and quick links. Many useful links can be found in the description. A short, practical note about timing. Don't wait until the day before expiry. Banking and partner transfers can take 24–72 hours to post. Shopping portal posting is usually faster, but may be delayed if the merchant holds funds. Set an alert at 90 days and again at 30 days before the posted expiry to give yourself buffer time. Now, the traps and the single misleading claim to watch for. Airlines and third-party sites will promote buy miles discounts and flashy promos that look like a bargain, but they're often more expensive than a simple qualifying activity. Some customer service scripts push reinstatement as the only option and quote a fee, when in fact a tiny shopping portal purchase or points transfer would have solved the problem for far less. Booking sites sometimes add mileage extension products or recommend a credit card upgrade to prevent expiry. Those carry ongoing costs. How to refuse the upsell. Stay calm. Ask the agent 2 questions. Does a partner activity or a $1, $10 shopping portal purchase qualify to reset expiration? And what exactly is the reinstatement fee, and is there a no-fee extension option? If they push a credit card product, say no
and request supervisor review. If a third-party booking site tries to sell an extension at a price that equals buying miles from the airline, it's not a bargain. Decline and use the shopping portal or transfer instead. One very specific hidden fee. Some programs charge a processing fee when you buy miles during reinstatement or to retroactively apply activity. That can add $20, $40 on top of the listed fee. Before you pay, ask for an itemized breakdown of costs, reinstatement fee, processing fee, and any purchase tax. If the combined total is more than an inexpensive activity would cost, don't pay.
If you're uncertain which option posts fastest, take the conservative route. Small shopping portal buy plus transfer of a minimal number of points from a partner program. You might spend $5, $15, but you lock the account active and avoid expensive repurchases. Finally, build a permanent defense. Put a recurring calendar reminder 3 months before the next expiry window. Keep one small linked spending method that posts activity, a rewards card used once a quarter, and bookmark the loyalty program's expiration policy. If you travel infrequently, pick a partner program with the friendliest activity rules and keep a tiny balance there you can top up cheaply. If this helped you stop a last-minute panic, do me a favor. Like the video and subscribe for quick, practical travel fixes that save money and time. I post real, usable tips that travelers actually need, not hype. Thanks for watching, and check those accounts now before the clock runs out.